Go.
Hello everybody, Judy with the Bond team. I do workshops in teamwork and communication, and as you may know, in my past life I was involved with technology. Well, today at our ABWA meeting I heard Burton, Kelso of Integral Computer Consultants speak about cybersecurity, and everything he said was so spot on. And guess what? I even learned a few things that I didn't know about security. I really appreciated that he talked about backing up all of your information off-site. That's very important. And having a password manager. That was the question I wanted to ask. Is that a great idea? And Burton says definitely have a password manager. Don't use the same password for all your accounts. Burton was terrific. I suggest if you haven't had a chance to meet with Burton one-on-one, have a chat with him about what he can do for your business and your cybersecurity. Thank you.